Going to replace the battery. It's a 2019 Toyota Corolla. It works several years. I'll put that in the description. You have to remove the emergency key, so just give that a little turn there. It pulls out the emergency key, and right in there, we're now going to just give a little twist. It exposes. Sometimes, what happened there? So there we go. And then what we do is just remove the little button, just held in by little tiny tabs. So this is a RS. I just go to Costco, buy myself a whole pack. They're really inexpensive. So I have the new CR 2023. Just place it in there. This clips in. Famous last words. Yeah. There we go, just clip it in. Now, some people say the fingerprints make a difference. I've never found, but just wipe it off a little bit. We put it back in. You'll see these little tabs there. Throw this back on there. It just clips together. Throw your emergency key back in there. And we're in business. Hope this helps. Have a good day.